Good afternoon, my lovers. It's arrived. It's arrived. That's not cutting through anything. Oh, got some bubble wrap. Oh, very nice. I've got some more bubble wrap. Ah, here it is. Oh, come on. Oh. And that's what we call a coil. Actually, it's very light. It's my old coil. It's a bit bigger. Not too much bigger. Right. It's best to turn this up the other way. This one's 21 inches. It's the same size, isn't it? Yeah. So it said it was 22 on the gumph. And that's definitely, I'll have to get my tape measure out. Right, I'll be back in a minute, I'll get my tape measure. Yeah, got my tape measure, right. So this is supposed to be 22 inches. Yeah, it says 22. Right, and this one's supposed to be 21 inches. Oh, not far off. So I expect if you took this thing apart, the wires wouldn't be near the edge. I'll tell you what, that feels light. That feels light. I'm going to have to find a weighing machine. We'll hook it up there, look. And obviously a bush I got. Can you see the top of the bush? No, you can't see the top of the bush. And what I'll do is I'll get back to you and I'll weigh it. Right, I found a pair of scales. You know, scales that you stand on for seeing how much you weigh. Right. I'm gonna. Oh look! I've got a couple of beanies as well. Oh, nice and feel nice and warm. Joan Allen. I wonder who they are. Right, I'm going to have to put something on there, like something square, and then I'll have to cancel it and put the coil on top of that, and hopefully it'll balance. Yeah, more or less. Right, let's find something, go on. Right, make sure it's zeroed. Yeah, that's it. Right, now, the weight of this thing is... twist it. That is slightly over 2 kilos, I'd say. Slightly over 2 kilos. And the weight of this one... oh. Bang on 2 kilos. So this one's heavier, even though this one's bigger. Right. That is very interesting. Yeah. It's slightly under 2 kilos. It's not the best accurate measuring weight thing possible. I did have a fishing thing somewhere, but you know, one of the fishing weighing machines. I'm just going to hang it off that bush. So, what do you think of my epic coil? Oh. Yes, Joan Allen. I got a new hat, and one for Matt, and I'll have to buy one for Tony. Woohoo! I'm going to be finding some epic things with this here coil. And this one's heavier. Lovely jubbly. That's Coiltek, and it's a 22-inch double D coil, so it's got iron discrimination, but Coiltek are the best makers of coils, without a doubt. And that is so light, unreal. Can't wait to get this one in the field, but unfortunately the weather's been, as you can see by this here table, it's been piddling down, and this is the first gap that I've had to come out and do this video of this new epic coil. Well, that is super light. It probably weighs less than my CTX coil. Shall we go and check it out? Right, so that was just under 2 kilos. CTX coil is... Look at that. That is amazing. That coil is the same weight as that one. Wow. It's the same weight. That is amazing. Right, when I get out in the field with this double D iron discriminating super coil from Coiltek, the Gold Stalker, I'm going to be finding some epic relics, I hope. Cheers!